Dr. Paulina Chiwangu orikujwekera abakazi bono omu ihanga ahabwa ekitongore kya United Nations agizire ngu emyanya erimu nka district ya Hoima nari ekicweka kya Hoima aho ebyentunguuka biriyo nibikorwa nk'okwombeka pipeline y'amashita omu kicweka ekyo, okwombekwa kw'ekishayi kya Hoima City Stadium hamwe n'ebindi nibyongera aha ntunguuka kandi biija n'ebizibu ebirikureebwa abantu ba buriijo. Omuringo nigwo gumwe Dr. Paulina ayongere yaterera abebembezi omuranga yagira ngu bashemere kuzoora amaisho ahabwa entunguuka ezirikwija omu bicweka byabo kandi bagezaho kurondera abantu emirimo abarimu nk'abakazi hamwe n'abaana b'abaishiki ahabw'okugira ngu ezi niziijaho n'abantu abaine eby'okukora omu kicweka nikyo kimwe.
To a large extent, they know what needs to be done because one of the biggest challenge here is the land rights, especially for women and girls. Most of them, they didn't know their rights. But after being trained by Mirak, most of them, they know their rights, they know what needs to be done. So for me, that is very impressive. But, you know, as much as you make progress, different challenges always come. And a place like Hoima, where there is a new level of development, where the pipeline is being built here with the pipeline, also the second largest stadium, as we heard this morning, it was built here in Hoima. So I think with all these developments also comes some challenges.
Dr. Paulina ebyo nabigambire omwabazi ogwanya omwabazyo obhabira hariho kuganiraho ahagati ya ebyentunguuka omu district ya Hoima hamwe na Hoima City kandi omukoro gube gutebeekanisibwe aba Midwestern Region Anti-Corruption Coalition na Rishimilak. Omuringo nigwo gumwe Ismail Kusemererwa ori executive wa director w'ekitongore nikyo kimwe kya Mirak agizire ngu entaro z'amataka omu kicweka ekiziri ahaiguru kandi ezi nizenda kureeberwa zikagonjorwa omu kaanya katari kahare.
Raising awareness on land rights and participation of women in solving land conflicts to create peace in our communities. As you are aware that our region has a big challenge of land conflicts. Because of so many things, our land has increased in terms of value. Because of oil and gas, our land has received a number of so many investors who are interested in doing this, doing anything on our land. But we have also received so many projects from government.
Abantu bebembezi omu Hoima City hamwe na Hoima District barigire bashoborera ngo kweyongera kw'entaro z'amataka omu kicweka eki kwizireho kweyongera bwanyuma yo kuzoora amashita hamwe na gasi.
We have had a number of activities. The exploration and feasibility was concluded. Now the second stage is field development. We have had the pipelines, the other infrastructures, the CPF, roads, and others being developed. And all these have an implication on land.
We have done support. I know government has not reached everywhere, but through this pattern of using, they have really supported government to see that every part of the district, every single place of the district is restored. So with the remarks, I really appreciate.
Gasha kwa Gada Saba habwa Tayari West.